If you want the best Hostinger coupon code, use my link in the description right now for the best deal. That is the easiest way to get the best Hostinger coupon without wasting time searching around. If you are wondering how to get Hostinger coupon code or how to get Hostinger discount code, this is it. My link takes you straight to the offer, and the Hostinger discount code or Hostinger promo code is connected to that deal, so you do not need to copy or paste anything manually. When you get to the plans page, keep it simple. For most people, the 48-month premium plan is the best choice. It gives you a strong balance of low price and useful features for a blog, business site, portfolio, or WordPress website. If you need more power, daily backups, and e-commerce tools, then business is the better pick. Cloud Startup is more for bigger sites and people who need more performance. Now here is the tip that saves people extra money. Do not stop at the first price you see. Go all the way to checkout, because that is where an extra 20% Hostinger hosting discount can automatically apply. That is why my link in the description matters. And it is also why this Hostinger coupon code 2026 offer is worth using before it changes. As for why choose Hostinger, it gives you a free domain for the first year on eligible plans, free SSL, backups, email, managed WordPress features, migration help, an AI website builder, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want a real Hostinger deal and the best Hostinger coupon code available today, click my link in the description now and lock in your savings before this offer changes.